Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create component of Oldham couple. Today I will create this component in Fusion 360 with the help of various commands available in the Fusion 360. First go to create sketch, select view. Now as you can see, I will draw a circle of 144 diameter. Once I draw the circle of 144 diameter, I will finish the sketch and select the extrude command and extrude it up to this 39 mm. After extruding it, I select this face of this particular object and go to create sketch again. Then I will draw a circle of 96 diameter, and after that I will draw a circle of 48 diameter. Once I draw both the circles, I finish the sketch. Select the extrude command. It will ask us what profile you wanna extrude. We'll select this profile and extrude it up to this 34 mm. After extruding it, as you can see, we draw both these. Now we have to draw such cavity that is 24 mm by 15 mm in depth, and 24 is the width of this particular slot. I will rotate this workpiece, select this particular one, then go to create sketch again. Now I will select this rectangle command. From here I will select center rectangle and draw a rectangle of 24 mm by 144 mm. As you can see, after drawing it, as you can see over here, we draw this 24 by 144 mm is the diameter of this particular circle. After that, I will select 3-point arc from here. And draw these two 3-point arcs and press escape to exit the arc command. So now we are able to select this particular profile, which is created by both the arc command and the rectangle. Then finish the sketch. Again go to extrude command, select this one, and the depth of this particular section is, as you can see from this figure, that is 15 mm. So here we will provide the distance of -15, that will create slot and then OK. From this figure, we can see this hole is throughout hole. So we will create a throughout hole again. You can see we create the complete component here. This one. So this is the first component what we have created for the Oldham coupling. Now if I want to create the second one, that is this one. So for that one, I will use this move and copy command. From here I select create copy, create a copy. As you can see, now I will rotate it about 180 degree. So as you can see, and now I rotate it at 90 degree. As you can see, it will create another component. This one. We have created two components of Oldham coupling here. Now we want to create this one component. Then again go to create sketch, select the plane, draw a circle of 144 mm, then provide the thickness of 12 mm here. No, 21 mm. Finish the sketch. Select this circle, provide the extrude of 21 mm. After providing it, select this face again, go to create a sketch. We have to create this feature of this particular component. For this, we will draw a rectangle of 144 by 24 mm. After this, we will select 3-point arc from here. After creating this, I finish the sketch. Again go to the extrude command. Select this one and provide the thickness of, this is, as we can see, this is 12 mm. And okay, so as you can see, it will create this feature of this particular component. After that, we will select this one Again go to create a sketch. Now we will create a rectangle, that is center point rectangle, and the width of this rectangle is 144 mm and the length of this one is 24. So as we can enter here, that is 24, and then tab, then I enter here 144 and press OK. After that, again I will select 3 point arc and then finish the sketch, and I will provide the thickness of this particular feature of this particular component, that is 12 mm, we can see from here. Now select the component, select the feature, that is rectangle. Now extrude it up to 12 mm and press OK. And now we can see that we have created all the components of this Oldham coupling 1, 2 and 3. In the next video, I will assemble all these three components so that you are able to create the mechanisms. Thank you for watching my videos and my channel. Thank you so much.